everyone. I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I've been making masks. They're called personal protection equipment for people that have to go out and they don't want to get the coronavirus. So this is how it works. You put it on and this holds it on, and I'm going to show you how I make it. I get the material and I cut it 9 inches long. There's 9 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches wide. And this is the cutting tool that I use. It's called a rotary blade. And that cuts it. I turn it inside out. And then I start to sew. Now I'm going to sew around the edges. Being very careful that I keep my fingers away from the needle that's going up and down. Gotta turn it. So I left this open. Oops, gotta cut the corners. Iron. Very hot, so flat. Put one pole. One more. Pleated, that's what's called pleats. The steam helps the folds stay flat. And so now to make the folds stay in, I have to sew all around the edges. Make sure those folds stay flat when I sew over them. I take it off, I cut threads off, and then I sew on the straps. That will go around the head. I'll just sew one to show you. sewing on the straps. When I get to the end, I go backwards and forwards to make sure the stitching doesn't come out, the sewing doesn't come out. Cut off the threads, and there's your mask.